How to reset Citibank password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to reset your Citibank account password, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, simply head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Citibank, and you can also actually search in for citi.com and just click on first link which appears over here, and just tap on this sign on button over here and just enter the details. That is your register user ID, and if you forget your password, then you can always click on this forget password link over here right under the sign in button. So simply tap on that from over there and you should be redirected to this page where it says that you have to choose the type of the account you have. So if it's a particular account related to the personal loan or brokerage only, so choose accordingly and just click on continue. And from over here, just follow the on-screen instructions just like this, and you may have to provide the account info accordingly. And if it's related to your bank or credit card customer account, you can basically enter all of the digits over here, whatever your card number is, and simply click on continue and follow the on-screen instructions. At last, you will be getting a link or OTP to successfully reset your password, and you can simply click on sign in button once again from the home screen and always re-log in with your newly created password as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.